Yeah, what's up, YouTube? Not doing a Hot Wheels hunting, doing some grocery store hunting. Will you guys buy this meat, man? It's overdue. Wait, what's the date? Yeah, it's due yesterday, man. Would you guys buy that? 40% off? I don't know about that. You get sick. Ground meat. I don't eat much beef, man. Not healthy for you, man. Eat the fish and the chicken breast. Much healthier choice. Oh, what are these? Mussels. Don't eat that. There's my favorite fish right there, salmon. Yeah. Pork. I don't mess with the pork no more either. No. It's good though, but here, this is my favorite. Chicken breast right here. I got some damn chicken right here. Alright, stay tuned. Yummy sausages. It's honey garlic, Italian, spicy Italian, nice Portuguese flavored seasoned chicken right there, whole chicken. Man, I gotta show you guys the prices up here, man. Okay? It's crazy. Grocery prices up here are sky high, man. Watch. Wait. What's this? $12.99 for a little piece of ham, man. Man, what the? Man, I see the prices in the US for food. It's a lot cheaper than this, man. Hey, let's show. Oh, look at these sausages. It's huge. Hey. What's that? Tripe? Yeah. I don't eat that stuff anymore. Alright. This is the hot dog section, I guess. Hot dogs and sausages. This is pretty good stuff. Yeah. Ravioli. This is my favorite right here. Yep. Oh yeah, look at this. That's some good stuff right there. Swiss chalet chicken hot pie, yeah. Now that's some good stuff. Grocery store pizza? I wouldn't buy it. Just buy a fresh pizza at the pizza store. Yep, Polish sausage. It's my favorite right there. This brand is gross though. Don't buy that brand. This one, Pillar, is the best. Pepperoni sticks. Yummy. Man, this is worse than Hot Wheel hunting. Like, if you grocery hunt and record, man, everybody's looking at me, man. Trust me. I'm like, what the hell is this guy doing, man? It's like the what the F look on their face. It's like, what is he doing? Does he work for some kind of agency that's checking for rotten food or something? Man, it seems like it. And the workers are all looking at me. Alright, I gotta look for some deals. Stay tuned. Alright, I had to get away from those workers. They're staring at me like they're gonna go report me now. That guy's walking around recording food. Nah, I'm doing a grocery store hunt, okay? Checking for deals, man. Chill. Orange juice, hell yeah. Gotta get your vitamin C. Yogurt. Yummy. This is my favorite right here. Astro fruit bottom. Where is fruit bottom? Somewhere here. They're always out of stock. It always disappears. Oh, that's why it's on sale today. Save $1. Save $1. Man, like there, you guys see the prices up here, right? They're ridiculous, man. That's why everybody's starving and on the streets, man. Or going to food banks because the food is so expensive, man. I'm telling you. Now tell me, you guys have Black Diamond cheese? Look at the price, $7.49. How much is it in the U.S.? Probably at least $2 cheaper than that. If you can't afford that brand, here you gotta go with this brand, Selection. It's like a cheaper quality cheese. I've tried it. It's not as good as Black Diamond. Hell no. Alright, I'm gonna go around. Stay tuned. Oh yeah, juice section. I don't know, I used to drink this, but look at this. Would you drink this? Extra spicy drink? No, hell no. What the heck? Never saw an extra spicy flavor before. Apple juice. Okay, I'm just gonna walk through here.
Victor, call 222, please. Victor, 222.
This is my favorite drink right here. Pineapple. Alright, we're in the cracker section right here. This is my favorite. Everybody grew up to these, man. When you're a kid, always had that in the cupboards. Cheez-It, these are good. Very good. Seen some Kinder Surprise right here. Cool. Man, I'm still getting looks, man. I gotta get out of here. Yay, cookies. Pikachu cookies. Awesome honey flavor, cocoa flavor. Lots of cookies here. And they're on sale today. That's a good deal. 2 for $6. That's a deal. Well, that's a deal up here. I don't know where else in the world. These were my favorite growing up too, right there. Man. I'll just show you guys around the world what we have here. This one's my favorite right here. Awesome. Wagon wheels, of course, old school. Man, look at all the cookie brands here, man. These are so good too, man. You know, if you guys, you know, the people that puff a little bit of weed, this is your favorite section right here. You guys stock up on this cookies right here. Oh man, these two right here, right there. After smoking some weed, man, you're gonna end up in this section right here, and the chip section I'm going to right now. Okay, this is the chip section. Pringles are always awesome to have, or Lay's, cool. Chips. Man, these went up in price, but they're so good though with some dip. Ruffles are so good. There's Kato's favorite flavor right there. Well, it used to be. And the good old shrimp chips, man, right here. No, that's not the shrimp chips. It looks like it. You know what I'm talking about? Those Asian shrimp chips that look like that. Doritos, my favorite. Yes. Alright. There's my favorite flavor right there. Zesty cheese. Oh, man. Lay's and Doritos and Ruffles run the show up here. And then you have the other brands here. Irresistibles. Ooh, cheddar. I've tried that flavor before. Selection. Selection's alright. It's just, I don't find it as flavorful as Lay's. Here's the soda pop section right here. Water screen, ba-bam. Man, I used to drink all this stuff. Not no more. I want diabetes. Nope. Budweiser 0%. Who buys that? People buy that? It must taste like crap. Okay, I'm gonna wrap this up. Can't find any Hot Wheels, so I'm grocery hunting. Ha. Gatorade 0. Oh, that's Powerade. Lots of flavors. Alright, okay, we're in the fruit cup salad area. These are good right here. I love these. All of them. They have a orange flavor here somewhere. Here it is. Mandarins in orange gel. Is that Jello or what? Who knows? Don't know what they put in this food nowadays. The kids are so big nowadays. The teenagers are huge, man. Like, they putting a lot of steroids in these foods. Oh, Fruity Pebbles. Oh yeah. Oh man, awesome. One of my fave as a child. And Lucky Charms. On sale today. Save $2. Good deal. Right here. Cinnamon Crunch. Yeah. Sugar Crisp. Honey Nut Cheerios. Man, these cereals will be around forever. Every generation. Here's one of my favorites. Basic cereal. $5.49. Love Corn Flakes. Honey Shreddies? I've never seen that before. Here's my favorite one right here. Plain Shreddies Original. Oh, Raisin Bran right here. One of my favorites now. I love it. All brand. If you want fiber, lots of fiber, this brand is good for that. It's tons of fiber. What else we got here? This is like premium cereal right here. Or I don't know, kosher. I have no idea. I've never tried it. Oh, I have tried this Morning Crisp. I think this is what do you call it? Healthy cereal here. All right, I'm out of here. That was a quick tour. All right, thanks for watching. Peace out.